Don't want to catch a hantavirus, so I'm wearing a mask. And gonna hose this thing out. I don't want to catch the hantavirus or any other bug. You know, Lord knows monkeypox can come at you from anywhere. Go figure on that one, huh? Anyways, I've got the mask on so I don't get hantavirus from the cleaning up the mouse turds, and I'm going to wash off the grill, at least hose it off. Then we'll put some bleach on it and kind of clean it up. This is the last item from the poor man's flea market. Haven't looked at it. Let's see what we got. Oh look, we have a huge mouse nest. Well, that's alright. Can't check the fittings of that mouse nest in there. I'll have to get out the stuff and clean out the inside. But for right now, it at least looks like most of the mechanicals are okay. Whatever's underneath that wad of mouse-soaked stuff, hopefully it's not too rusty. I'll need to disassemble this whole thing because it was completely full of mouse nest. Fortunately, it looks like the burner was made out of stainless, and I can clean this up reasonably well. People get all freaked out about the idea, well, it's got dirty. Well, everything that this thing's made out of came out of the ground. Yeah, it was piled up in the dirt for a few million years or longer. And everything in the dirt touched it. So it was extracted from the dirt, cleaned up, and made into this thing. So that's what I'm going to do. I will clean this up and make it into something useful. There. That's got the main guck off of it. Okay, I've got it hosed off. Now I'll leave it sit out here to dry out a little bit. Let some of this water drip off of it. Then I'll hit it with some soap and water.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.